Alright, so we're back. We have this nice little box here. Alright, we're back. We got our box here. Y'all seen the system that we're going to be implementing. The hydroponic system that came from Amazon. The link is down in the description if you want to get the same one. But it's our first time. I'm going to get this stuff into work. Did some shopping at Harbor Freight. Just got some gloves, a bucket for the system, but we'll get into that later. But let's get this opened up. Ooh, yes, very nice, very nice. All right, comes with this nice little seating instructions. This is the way the system looks. I probably end up going to a bucket like that afterwards, because we also want to get into, like I said, aquaponics as well. But you guys can see here, I'll probably blow this up on the screen. Grow method, transplanting, point of attack of growing the plant, 2-level, 54 holes. So it's 2 levels, 54 holes. I was kind of iffy about this one because of the square box, because I can get the mesh cups for circles all day long. I wasn't too sure about the square one. So let's get this all laid out, and then you guys can see what it is that we have. They sent these. I heard some people say don't use these because it's not as good. It's the like the little foam. I bought some better one, but it's like the foam. You put the seed in there. They said it let light through a lot of times, and just doesn't feel, just feel like some regular foam. So we probably won't use that, but we'll lay it out so y'all see what comes in the box. The wheels, the piping is kind of smushed up here. Don't want any kinks in your pipes, so we'll lay that out. Let that unkink. Couple L's. Ooh, very exciting. A timer, should be good. 24-hour plus timer. More pins. I think there's supposed to be a hammer. Maybe that's, oh yeah, I see the other wood piece there. All of our cones. So yeah, they say these are better because they give the roots more room to grow. So we'll see. We'll see. This won't be our first system. I mean, this won't be our last system. This is what you would consider a name brand system. I hope you guys can see all this. All right, more of it. Piping. More of the cups. All right. So yeah, it's a little cheap mallet. I have a better mallet in the garage, so I'll probably go get it or have one of the kids bring it. It's decent. We'll probably use it. And then I'm thinking this is the air pump. All right. So nice little air pump that comes with it. Nice little air pump. I might use this somewhere else because I'm planning on, like I said, so this is a 10 watt pump. Submersible aquarium pump. So it's a 10 watt one there. I have another unit coming. A 7 watt one, but it's solar with a battery backup. Sorry, give me a second. But this is everything that comes with it. Alright, one thing I noticed, there's no instructions. There's no instruction manual. I don't know. Maybe that's how they do it now. I see a lot of people on YouTube now don't want to use the instructions. So get down. Let's get y'all down so y'all can see. Alright. Alright. Might have to go get a lid for that